Hey there everybody, welcome to the video. I am Cardano Slim, the founder and CEO of StripperCoin, and in this video I'll be reviewing how you can upgrade your NFTs and some of the specifics about the mint and upgrades. First, let's start with some details about the NFTs themselves. If you go to our webpage strippercoin.io and go up to the top NFT projects and browse down to NFTeases, you'll see this page here which will give you some details about the teases. Now you'll see there's a total supply of 540 with 285 being Emmeline and 255 being Casey. Each ambassador has her own policy ID which you'll find down beneath their little pink card here, and this is basically so royalties can go directly to their wallets with no middlemen involved. Each ambassador has 2 outfits, 3 backgrounds, and 5 color variations of each background. There are 15 to 30 unique upgrade paths on each NFT, which you can upgrade as many times as you like. Once you've exhausted the upgrade paths on your tees, the poses will repeat, however you can continue to upgrade them an unlimited amount of times. There is a counter on each tease which counts how many times that particular one has been upgraded, so you can keep track. Please keep in mind that the images you see here on our site are just previews. Each NFTs is fully animated, the girl and background included, with music to her tees. Only the first level that was purchased is fully clothed, and at this time you cannot go back to the fully clothed pose. However, we do plan to enable this later. Now, one of the great things about our teases is that if your wife doesn't want you looking at boobies, no problem. Simply don't upgrade the pose and just enjoy the art of the tease. Now, let's learn how to upgrade your tees. After you've acquired your NFTs, open up your wallet. For this demonstration, I will be using Eternal Wallet. From my understanding, the only wallet you cannot use will be your Roy, as it does not support the bundling of tokens. Next, go to your Send tab and enter the address found on the Upgrade Teases page of our website. Click Next. Next, you're going to want to enter 3 ADA into the Funds tab. This will pay for transaction fees for the whole process. Next, we're going to click Add Token. Scroll down a little bit, and in the search box, type Strip. This will filter your wallet for only the Strip tokens. Enter 200 StripperCoin, click Add, and then scroll down to find the NFT that you wish to upgrade. Click Add on that NFT, then scroll back to the top and click Next. Before you sign it and enter your password or plug your ledger in, make sure that you look at the output and make sure that it is sending 3 ADA, 200 Strip along with the actual NFT. Now, you'll go ahead, you'll sign the transaction, and click Sign. After a few minutes, your NFTs should be back in your wallet, upgraded with a new pose. Now, I'm not going to show the poses here because they are nude, and we don't want to get banned on YouTube, so I hope you understand that. But just check your wallet, it'll be back within a few minutes, and you'll be able to check out the pose. If you have any issues whatsoever minting or upgrading, pop on over to our Twitter at StripperCoin and shoot us a DM, or just hop on into our Discord and open a ticket. Our mods are more than happy to help you out, as well as myself. You can also shoot me an email, slim@strippercoin.io. Happy upgrading and happy teases, everybody. Cheers.